Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another amazing episode of Marketing in the Zone. So guys, let's dive deep into gamification today. Okay. So guys, whenever I speak of gamification, I understand that it's the use of game concepts in your regular real-time life. Okay. So we do this by using a very particular, let's just talk about why we do it before we jump into how we do it. Okay. So guys, basically we use the game concepts whenever we see a lower, kind of acceptance rate, or people are actually not too inclined to join your community, or you want to extend that and speed it up. Okay. So guys, basically these game concepts actually help you kind of make it into a viral kind of activity, and people start accepting it. The acceptance rate actually shoots up. Okay. And there's a lot more action which happens even without you actually marketing anything later. Okay. So guys, how this happen is, you have to set the goals very clearly from the way go. Okay. So I mean, are you looking for more visibility, or are you looking for more sign-ups, or what is it that you're actually looking for? Are you looking for more people to buy it out, or what is the case? Okay. So based on which you also have to, guys, you have to launch it in style. Okay. Any gamification kind of campaign, if you just try to push it, people will not take it. Okay. One of the most classic examples of gamification actually gone very correctly is Duolingo app. Okay. Which is a basic language learning app. Okay. So it has badges, it has everything. I mean, leaderboards, you name it, all the concepts or all the very essence of gamification are there and over there. Okay. And you have to keep the insights clear, updated, and you have to keep coming back to them. Okay. And you have to use levels correctly out there. Okay. You can't be I'll create a level the moment the person signs up, then there'll not be a value to that level, guys. Okay. So gamification, every level has to be well thought of. After that level, what is the path that the person may choose, that has to be thought of. What will be the kind of breadcrumbs, or you can say the power ups which you want to give along the way, that has to be well thought of. So guys, it is basically the way that you develop a game. You have to develop the path for every person in during while they are gamified. Okay. And you have to ensure that you have the end goal also in mind, guys. Okay. So it can't be just random, this I just keep taking them to through different paths, and that lead nowhere. Then there'll be no fun in that game. Okay. So guys, everything has to be well thought of, because you are trying to build a community rather than just a person. Okay. So guys, it has to be a community which is well nurtured, well accepted, well kind of advised and everything. Okay. And you have to go back every single day to ensure that you are adding the value to the community again and again. Okay. And you have to encourage competition, guys. You have to encourage, you have to show them that these are the leaderboards, guys, come on, buck up. Okay. And while you're doing that, the notifications should not be too high as well, to discourage kind of, oh man, oh, I'm just being disturbed. Okay. Or it shouldn't be too low as well, not giving them the right opportunity or the right chance to go ahead of their competition. Okay. So it has to be precise, guys. Okay. And badges, I mean, I can't stress enough, you have to give the right badge, the right value, the right kind of position. Okay. So guys, and you have to analyze and keep taking corrective actions, guys. Okay. So imagine that there is one particular wave in which there are not too many power ups, but a lot of people are going that way and they're actually stopping there. Okay. So you have to kind of give the power ups just to ensure that people move on to the next kind of level. Okay. And guys, there are supposed to be proper levels, the proper definition, everything in gamification. Okay. You have to organize it in a proper way, and you have to reward proper behavior which is aligned with your company values and everything. Okay. So guys, this is the kind of values that people bring in. Okay. And guys, it can be used, gamification can be used in so many different sectors. It can be education, share market, it can also be your IT software, Google Maps. I mean, I can't name any lesser solutions which can't use gamification. But I mean, being an expert in gamification, I can tell you one thing for sure. Any concept of marketing or any concept of of this sort should be used with kind of precision and with an experience, because that kind of backfire at times. Okay, so guys, you have to ensure that you are giving the right kind of look or the right kind of outlook to this kind of thought process or strategy. Okay, so let it be gamification, let it be the other strategies that we will be talking about. Okay, so there are so many strategies, guys, that we are talking about. I can't stress enough. Okay, so guys, today we are doing gamification. Tomorrow we'll be doing blind spot marketing. Okay, day after tomorrow we have the ninja link building techniques. Sorry, I did that. Okay, then we have the guerrilla marketing techniques. Then we have ninja referral marketing techniques, ICP, or the ideal customer profile techniques. Then the market, how to develop a marketing unicorn, or what is a marketing unicorn, also coming up. And guys, right after that we have a much better plan with the personas. We'll be actually diverging in and creating some personas, literally. Okay, so guys, that's going to come up. Okay, so guys, that's about the weekly plan and gamification today. Okay, so guys, hope to connect with you tomorrow for blind spot marketing. Okay, and guys, we also have one new channel coming up, which is Tech Hack Works, which will be all about giving the technical kind of inputs for each of the item, like mobiles under a specific kind of cost, and could be laptops, could be printers, could be even vehicles which are electric motors, and how they can be used. So this new channel is coming up really soon, guys. Okay, so stay tuned, have fun, take care.